Thank you so much for joining us back on Afternoon Express. It's been an inspirational and heartwarming show so far.
Indeed, yeah. So from fashion and feel-good vibes to some aesthetics, you know the aesthetic wonder, Dr. Anushka Reddy? She is back on the show. And today we take a look at the liquid facelift, something I haven't heard of before, but now I know more. It's a facial contouring procedure that involves the use of strategically placed Botox and dermal fillers to create a younger, plumper-looking you. Let's take a look at how this transformation unfolds.
Leading cosmetics doctor Anushka Reddy has recently opened a new state-of-the-art practice where she's welcoming one of her first patients for treatment.
I'm Antoinette. I'm a mother of 2 beautiful children. As a dental nurse, I'm working with a lot of patients, and I'm working in Rosebank. I'm here to address the darkness under my eyes and just to soften my jawline as well. The results will make me feel so much better about myself as a woman, and it will be giving me more confidence as well in myself.
The patient I'll be seeing today is a 40-something-year-old lady. She's actually had a procedure of this nature before. So all I'm going to be doing today is trying to just prolong the effect of her previous procedure.
I'm seeing Dr. Reddy because I heard about her a lot and I know she can address my problems.
So let me start. Let's look at your eyes now. What is it about your eyes that bothers you?
People is telling me I'm looking tired and even sick. So I'm very dark under my eyes.
Yes, that's a common thing, you know. Eyes are the window to one's soul. So obviously if it has this depressed appearance with dark shadows, it will make you look tired. So I would certainly look at fillers, injecting fillers into that area, and I think it will give you a fresh appearance and get rid of that tired look. In addition, I would always combine fillers in the cheek area. So we need to also contour and lift the cheek because that actually supports the tissue of the eye, and the combination treatment will give us a good result. Coming now down to your jawline. Well, tell me more about that.
I'm grinding a lot. I do have a plate that I sleep with at night, and during the day I know I'm clenching. So there's always that pressure on my jaw.
When you have a history of grinding and clenching as you do, you develop these enlarged masseter muscles. Now, these muscles are mainly used for chewing. And as you can see, when they enlarge, they give the feminine face a very square appearance. So my intention is to actually inject the muscle with Botox. And what the Botox does, it relaxes the muscle, it reduces the tension in the muscle. And how you will benefit from this is that the clenching and the tension that you have in these muscles will be completely reduced. So I think let's get started. Let's get your makeup off and then we're good to go. It is very important to always address a patient's concerns and always take what they feel is important to them into consideration. Naturally, I will have my own impression of what needs to be done for her. But I mean, if people are commenting that she's looking tired and she's looking sick, what's very important for me in this particular procedure is to actually get rid of that negative feeling that she's experiencing and create these positive vectors in her face. The products I will be using today, especially around the eye, it's an FDA-approved product. It contains hyaluronic acid. In addition, when we treat the eye area, we must not forget to treat the cheeks. So I would also use a product not to create apple cheeks or to inflate the cheeks, but rather to contour the cheeks. And the product is called Radiesse. It's a product that's used mainly by experienced and advanced injectors, and that's going to give her these really nice Naomi Campbell cheekbones. In addition, I will be using Botox. We've been using it for a very long time, but in this instance, I will inject it into her masseter muscle, and that will actually relax that muscle.
This treatment will make me feel so much better about myself as a woman, and it's going to give me more confidence in myself as well.
I think what was a nice sort of add-on were the lips and the nose. So while she was on the bed, I noticed that there was dissymmetry in her profile. So what I simply did on her nose was I increased the nasal bridge to camouflage the little bump on her nose, and I increased the volume of her lips very gently though, because we don't want that very infamous trout pout. And I think that natural look is what she was after, and I think she's going to be very pleased with the result.
Recovery time from injectable treatments vary from each patient, and Dr. Reddy has asked to see Antoinette after 2 weeks again to examine her results.
It has been 10 days from my first consultation. I'm still a little bit bruised under my eyes, but otherwise there's no bruising.
I am very pleased with Antoinette's results. As expected, I knew there would be some degree of bruising, but it has resolved significantly. The addition of arnica to the post-treatment protocol has helped with this. In addition, I see that there's beautiful slimming down of her face. And I think for me, the best part was her nose and her lips. Hiding that bump on her nose, which she thought was not possible non-surgically, we've actually managed to achieve. And also restoring the lip contours. So we've given her some degree of volume in her lips without anyone actually knowing that she's had any treatment done. So I'm very pleased with the outcome of the treatment.
My experience was actually very good. There was actually no downtime, and the next day I was already back at work. It was a very positive experience to go through. I am very happy with my results. People is telling me already I don't look so tired anymore, and even I'm beautiful.
It's so good to know, like you and I both have the same issue with trying to reduce bags under our eyes and things. I think it's just a genetic part of who you are. So to be able to have something like that available to you to, you know, I guess give you that confidence back is awesome. So well done, Anushka. She did a good job.
Yeah, I mean, there's quite a significant difference, right?
Check that jawline difference. She used to have quite a square jaw over the side. That's kind of elongated her face a bit now.
Absolutely, and softened it. I'm always fascinated to see what's actually available out there and what can be done with cosmetic surgery. So yeah,
confidence starts on the inside.
A liquid facelift. Yeah, so get you a liquid facelift.
Let's get us a word lift.
A word lift. So if you wish to address concerns like lines, wrinkles, volume loss and sagging, then book your appointment today. Also make sure to follow Dr. Anushka Reddy on Instagram for the latest updates in aesthetics treatments.